I have nuclear board and we start with programming.
This one is the most affordable board on the market. It doesn't have much, but it supports I2C, SPI protocols, and you can plug a lot into it. One of the ways to start with embedded development, it's Mbed OS. We can easily download and install it. And voila, we have our Mbed Studio. We can start with predefined samples, click New, and choose Blinky. And we have project with main C++ file, where we have LED object that we can toggle in the loop. And to build it, we should choose a platform. Mbed OS provides abstraction layer atop of bunch of devices, and it includes drivers for each device it supports. We can see the sources in target directory, and also we can loop through other sources. The next step, we plug our dev board and see how it works. If you want to learn more, you can find a recommendation on the official site.